Friends, I am currently on my Amazon account and I want to show you how to cancel Showtime, which is a premium channel through Amazon. This is if you've signed up for Showtime through your Amazon account. Maybe you've done one of those free trials and you want to cancel before the subscription starts. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So obviously what we're going to do is we're going to go to Amazon.com on your web browser. You can either use your phone or your computer, but this is what is going to make it really easy for us to do. So ignore your TV, go straight to your web browser, go to Amazon.com, and then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, we're going to come over here to the accounts and lists. And we're going to use the down arrow. And then as you can see on here, we have a couple of different options to choose from. I'm going to choose account. And then we can scroll down here, and as you can see, we have a section called memberships and subscriptions. And what we're looking for is Prime Video channels. I'm gonna click on this. And as you can see here, we now have a list of all the channels we've subscribed to through Amazon. Now again, if you've signed up for Showtime through the application or directly with Showtime, then you need to go to that website. But again, here you can see we have the channel subscribed. It's going to be $10.99 a month. We do not want to renew that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on cancel channel at this time. This page obviously makes it very simple now. You can see you can remind me 3 days before the renewal if you'd like to do that. I'm going to go ahead and turn off auto renewal. I'm going to watch until the 22nd and then it's going to cancel for me. Or you can click keep subscription. You can also choose to answer this little survey. I'm just going to click prefer not to answer. And that's basically it. As you can see, the Showtime is going to end at this time. We have the option to restart the channel, but at this point we are now canceled. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We're making a bunch more tutorial videos and those will be released on our channel very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching.